It is very easy to do Cornell Technique in Notetalker. When you make bookmarks during a lecture, in the app or edit, these become main points, the same as you would make in the left-hand column of a Cornell set of notes. The text notes you added as bullet points using one of our apps during the recording become the key points or areas where you expand on the main points, the same as the right-hand column in Cornell Technique. Add a final bookmark at the end of the recording and call this Summary. Into this note area, summarize the lecture using the other notes as a reference point. You can then use the filter button to separate out the summary information and export this to a Word or PDF document, as we are doing in this example. You then have a written summary for that lecture.